Let's look at our generated repo details component. Taking a quick glance, what we see here is mostly familiar. The named qualifier annotation is something new that we've used, but there is no trace of it in the generated component. Dagger only needs to check qualifiers during code generation. Since everything in Dagger is hooked up in generated code and not via reflection, the components themselves don't need to know about qualifiers. They are simply generated using the correct instances as determined by the Dagger compiler. We see the same map getting created, though with a different view model value, just like in the home component. This is used to pass to the app view model factory to allow us to get our injectable view model. So there's really nothing new here. Let's quickly see what Dagger would do if we change the string value in the named annotation to one we didn't use when we're trying to inject it in our view model. Compilation fails because we aren't providing Dagger with a string instance annotated with the named qualifier containing this new string value. The same kind of error happens when we remove the qualifier completely. Dagger doesn't know how to provide an unqualified string, so compilation fails. One of my favorite things about Dagger is how it can statically analyze your dependency graph and enforce correctness at compile time.